So it's an absolutely beautiful morning today. Later on we're going to go to Munduk, which is like up north, so it's 2.5 hours away. I realise I've given literally zero context here whatsoever. When I say heading up north, I don't mean up to Belfast, up to Newry. I mean northern Bali. So if you have seen the last vlog, you'll know that I went to Bali. Check it out, up here, or up here, up one of the corners. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. So we're going up there to see the waterfalls and the sunset. Going on an adventure. Going on an adventure. So I literally just said to Lorna, what about all the spiders and stuff? Like, we never even thought of that. And we turn to our left and see an absolutely massive spider. You filthy bastard. Alright dude, this is like totally awesome. About a day, 2 days ago, Lorna was like to me, hey yo, I'm not an adventure holiday type of person. We come to the jungle of Munduk. Leo, this is fuck deadly. Oh my god. Take me back to my childhood. After a bit of a boob, we've finally gotten back on the right track and we're headed in the right direction to the second waterfall of the day. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. One comes around one today. It's soaking out here. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. So we got to the second waterfall and I decided to fly my drone. Rudely interrupted. So decided to fly the drone, it would look really cool at the waterfall. Flew it up, and as soon as I got up like over the sort of rocky part we were standing under, the wind of the waterfall like caught it and it was blowing all around, and I really had to struggle to try and save it, and I didn't know which way it was turning, and it flew in and it like crashed. I had to scramble up like the side of the waterfall on the rocks, grab it, and seems to be okay, seems to be working fine. So we're gonna try and get a taxi up to like the lake. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one. So this is our last few minutes, I suppose, in Munduk. It's absolutely a beautiful place. I recommend anybody who goes to Bali to come up here. It's a jungle and there's waterfalls, there's rice plantations, cocoa plantations, monkeys that you can feed bananas.
Instagram worthy destination.
It's an Instagram worthy destination, as Lorna said. There's a really cool swing that like swings out over a lake and you can like take a picture of the swing. So yeah, if you're thinking of coming to Bali, you should definitely come up here to Munduk. There's monkeys, should I say that? More than monkeys. We're literally just here in our homestay, it's called Adila and Warang Homestay. Absolutely beautiful place. But like, I don't even need to like look for yourself how beautiful that sunset. One comes around one today. They don't see
the same. To walk like two out the door, then you have magic.
It's blowing away. Oh shit, Lorna, it's blowing away.